Indeed, it was a huge party. It was grand. It was star-studded to the hilt. Well, those are the few words to describe the grand evening of Lux Cozy Times of India Film Awards, now popular as Toifa. और इस grand evening में जिन stars ने red carpet पर करा walk, वो दिखे ultra glam and hot. Starting with the man himself, clad in maroon and black, the one who needs no introduction, Shah Rukh Khan, जिन्हें उनके fans ने red carpet पर दिया एक grand welcome. वैसे एसआर के यहाँ स्पिरिट्स में तो टोटली हाई थे, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली ही सफर्ड अ शोल्डर इंजरी. इन अ क्विक चैट विद अस, SRK spoke about Toifa and his performance at the awards.
Shah Rukh, the fans have been like, whenever you pass by any red carpet, they're screaming, they're chanting. What's unique about you is that you actually make time to go out and say hello and hi to all of them as well. Tell me, what's the love that you received here in Vancouver?
I'm very clear about one thing. Whenever I'm doing work, the life and the work that we lead is very stressful and hard. The only thing that makes me genuinely happy is to meet all the people who like my films, like the work. If I had an opportunity or a chance, I would spend the rest of my life just thanking everyone.
Shah Rukh, you're performing here tonight. Everyone's looking forward to that. Tell me a little bit about your act. I'm very excited to see you perform.
Yeah, I hope it's nice. I'm a little injured, so I'm having a lot of pain.
Another injury? What happened?
My shoulder is not okay, so. But I hope I do it well. Shahmak's put on a grand show. So hopefully his dancers and all the props will hide my bad dancing. Yeah, so.
Shah Rukh, I've got two final questions for you. One about the Times of India. The Times of India Film Awards is the first edition. What's your experience been like so far?
It's very nice. I think the hospitality and the arrangements and the organization is fantastic, very big and spectacular. And it's very nice. The awards go all over the world, introducing Indian films to the rest of the world. So it's very heartening.
So have a great evening. Looking forward to your performance. Thank you so much.
Moving on, बारी है शो के होस्ट की, यानी कि यूथ के रॉक स्टार रणबीर कपूर की, who seems super excited about this entire event and especially about hosting the event.
टॉयफा का पहला अवार्ड्स नाइट है और हमारे होस्ट टॉयफा के आ चुके हैं, पहुंच चुके हैं. पूरी तैयारी है?
तैयारी तो पता नहीं है, बट एक्साइटमेंट है, एंजाइटी है. दिस टाइम आई एम लकी बिकॉज आई एम को-होस्टिंग विद अनुष्का. शी इज़ अ ग्रेट एनर्जी, ग्रेट टैलेंट, एंड आई गेस द ट्रिक इज रियली टू हैव फन, रियली टू एंटरटेन एंड पुट अप अ गुड शो. सिंस वी आर द होस्ट, हम शो के एंकर हैं, so we really have to kind of balance it out, make sure that people don't get bored. And I guess we are back with such amazing performances. There is Priyanka Chopra, Katrina Kaif, Aishwarya Rai Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, and of course Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Mr. Boman Irani is also co-hosting, and of course Shamak Davar is going to put up a great act. So hopefully the whole show is going to be really tight and fun.
Absolutely. आपने पूरी स्केड्यूल तो बता दिया शो का इन शॉर्ट, बट होस्ट वैसे नॉर्मली देखा जाता है कि किसी ना किसी पे देयर आर गैग्स, जोक्स, कोई ना कोई तो निशाने पे रहता है इंडस्ट्री के. तो कोई है, सोचा है आपने और अनुष्का ने कि आज रात तो ये निशाने पे है?
नहीं, हम ये साल टाइम्स ऑफ इंडिया फिल्म अवार्ड्स जो पहले साल में है, वी आर ट्राइंग टू मेक अ ट्रिब्यूट टू सिनेमा. वी आर लाइक टू फैंस. शी इज़ अ फैन गर्ल, आई एम अ फैन बॉय ऑफ सिनेमा, हाउ वी हैव ग्रोन अप, द इम्प्रेशंस ऑफ सिनेमा एंड हाउ इट हैज़ अफेक्टेड आवर लाइव्स. So I guess it's more of a fitting tribute than actually a mocking show and a comedy show.
One last thing, any message for the fans, because everybody's been hooting for you wherever you're coming and going. Everybody wants just one hug or one kiss from you,
I'll hug the camera, yeah. Thank you. Thank you so much for all the love and support, and I hope we can entertain you guys tonight.
Thank you and all the best.
Thank you. Left, right hand. Thank you.
दोनों चीज़ें.
Talk about his co-host Anushka Sharma. Here she was, in her all-new avatar with those fringes and a formal black look. Anushka seemed pretty confident and super glam.
So she's hosting tonight's evening. And is it your first time you've hosted before with Ranveer? But tell me, what's happening? It's the first time on a global platform, is it?
Yes, and there are a lot more people than there were the last time.
Have you seen how many people there are?
Unbelievable. It's like, I don't know, I mean, and the kind of overwhelming response they have to you. I mean, you feel like a fucking rock star. They make you feel so good.
Okay, so tell me, what are the little moves that you and Ranveer have prepared for tonight to get that audience in split, or to have them entertained basically through the...
We both are singing. Yeah. But I just hope
Do you sing well? That's the question.
you shall decide.
Basically, but you all have practiced, and what does the band have to say? The guys who are rehearsing with you.
We never heard, like, we didn't want to know what they think. Just to be safe.
But Anushka, you're also nominated tonight in the Best Supporting category. Tell me, are you also going to take home a trophy, plus be the main lady, who's hosting everything? So basically, you are going to be a rock star tonight. Because I'm thinking you might be taking home the trophy.
तुम्हारी मुंह में घी शक्कर. If I can manage to just...
You're going to give me the ghee shakkar basically.
Lekin, no, the thing is that the last time I was in Canada, Toronto, and I had won my Best Actress award there. My first Best Actress award. For Band Baja Bada. So for me, this place is extremely special. I'm so happy that I've been nominated for Yash Ji's Film. I mean, that's what's so special about the nomination. And if I get it, great. If I don't, then...
Adding to the glamour quotient was the Bachchan couple, Abhishek and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. While Abhishek seemed to have lost few kilos, Ash looked just identical to her previous appearance. Cladded in aqua lime anarkali, the couple provided a perfect red carpet entertainment with their talks.
Individually, theirs is one of the most anticipated acts of the night, guys. Look at that crowd. Are you guys...
Adding to the glamour
Extremely special. I'm so happy that I've been nominated for Yash Ji's Film. I mean, that's what's so special about the nomination. And if I get it, great. If I don't, then...
Adding to the glamour quotient was the Bachchan couple, Abhishek and Aishwarya Rai Bachchan. While Abhishek seemed to have lost few kilos, Ash looked just identical to her previous appearance. Cladded in aqua lime anarkali, the couple provided a perfect red carpet entertainment with their talks.
Individually, theirs is one of the most anticipated acts of the night, guys. Look at that crowd. Are you guys excited or what?
Yeah, I mean, people here have always been so loving, and you've witnessed it, and really looking forward to performing for everyone here in Vancouver. They're just so loving.
Abhishek, you?
I'm getting nervous, yeah. I'm first up, so I'm kind of itching to get out there. I would love performing, you know. I think both of us really feed off the energy of the audiences. And our performance has always been more interactive and about the audience.
Both of you are so great on stage, and you've always had such great energy. I mean, I remember your previous performances. Tell me, you know, what is this?
Nominated.
Yeah, you're also nominated.
No.
No.
That's
No.
modest.
No, I think, well, no, in all honesty and humility, I think Anuji deserves it. I think he was absolutely outstanding in Vicky Donor, and I hope he wins.
I have to ask you guys, this is the first edition of the Times of India Film Awards. What do you think about the Times of India doing these award ceremony on a global platform? And you know, it's the first edition. What's the experience been like so far?
Well, like he said earlier, and I agree, it's more the merrier. Welcome aboard. And, you know, the group is going to put up a very, very successful and beautiful effort, already witnessing it. So that I think everybody's already assured of. And yeah, it's bon voyage, and God bless and all the best.
Next on the list is Priyanka Chopra, who looked ultimate hot in that black copper attire. वैसे तो प्रियंका ने यहाँ कोई goof up नहीं किया, but she did reveal one of her red carpet oops moment.
What is the funniest thing a fan has ever said to you walking down the red carpet?
It was not funny, it was embarrassing. I had a little bit of a wardrobe malfunction and a fan pointed it out. She said that quickly fix that before paparazzi takes pictures, and that was really sweet.
Talk about oops moment. यहाँ आई बाकी actresses से हमने जाना कि what are those few things one must and one must not do at the red carpet. But before that, a quick go through of what these ladies wore. सबसे पहले Nargis Fakhri and Chitrangada Singh, who chose to go for the glitter. Both looked sizzling hot in what they wore. वहीं Asan ने किया हमें थोड़ा disappoint in her gown. Aditi Rao Hydari seemed pleasant in her attire. Zareen and Mugdha chose the color blue. Neha Dhupia experimented with the lehenga choli but carried off with confidence. Ileana Dickey wearing a glamorous black gown. Sonal Chauhan wore a shiny grey, and Raveena chose Indian attire. तो आइए इन ladies ने तो red carpet goof ups नहीं किए, but what can go wrong? Listen up as these ladies reveal.
Make sure there's somebody holding your trail.
You don't need to, be like, hey, how you doing?
Definitely walk slow. Don't smile too much, don't smile too less.
Not stand tall. You gotta always stand tall no matter what. And you always have to have your red carpet face on.
And some gum. Just because if you're talking to people and you have bad breath. Maybe chew a gum.
Ignore all the flaws in your outfit, anything. You just walk straight that the world is never going to come into an end and you're the most beautiful person.
Trip or step on your dress or someone else's dress. I guess not clean your teeth. Is it going to do that?
You gotta have that silly red carpet face on.
वैसे इनके अलावा यहाँ दिखे बॉलीवुड के कई और चेहरे भी वॉकिंग डाउन द रेड कार्पेट, और इन सब ने मिलकर बनाया लक्स कोजी टॉयफा की इवनिंग को एक मेमोरेबल, फन फिल्म्ड और हाई ऑन ग्लैमर अफेयर. इलिका श्रीवास्तव एंड चेतना सिंह, Zoom, Vancouver.